Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, now that was the good thing about that. That was dead cold start. No warm up, no practice balls, nothing. And I hit it good. Every ball went to the target with about 90% timing on the shots. Every shot was hit okay and eminently acceptable when you're cold. Hard right to left headwind here today. Okay, we're just going to have really a big ratchet this time. Big ratchet. And what's interesting there is that when you go for the big, that was perfect by the way, when you go for the big ratchet, you get back and you get a lot of download. It's wide to narrow. Wide to narrow, and I got a lot of narrow in that, a lot of wide, and then I got just a drop down, load up narrow. Lots of hit on that, lots of hit on that. That's almost gone normal 4-iron distance into that wind, so I picked up at least a club. See that, if there was no wind, that would go 2-iron distance. That's a really strong hit. It's 4-iron, but it's going 2-iron distance. It's going 180 yards into that that wind. Okay. Big ratchet, JH, big one. Now, that's only just come down. See, that's crazy. That's almost my hybrid distance. But that is a big wind up for JH. Okay, there's a lot of commitment in it, guys. You've got to really have a lot of commitment. That's hard for me, because I want to start down so early, but you've got to resist. Got to go back. The only thought is you have a backswing, you don't have a downswing. The downswing will take care of itself. Now, they're out there, boys. They are out there. Just hit a couple of 3-woods. Just reshafting my 3-wood. I always use these green shafts, but I'm always up and down in the flex. They've normally been really high side of X's, and I've just gone down to normal X, just trying it. Okay, big ratchet. Well, that's almost driver distance for me into that wind. That's really a fantastic shot, and within about 2 yards where I was aiming it. Okay, there's a 240 sign, yard sign down the back there. I can't get there into the wind clearly. I normally can only just get down there when there's no wind, 240 yards. But this went straight out. It went for the 4 in the 240. Okay, we'll go for the O in the 240, just to the right of the 240. Just a really hard power draw. Really hard power draw. Only moved about 4 yards. Just started right at the 0 in the 240, brought it back to the 240. And long for old JH. Now this time we'll go for the left of the 2 in the 240 See guys, it's an amazing thing. The brain knows what to do. I wanted to, the wind's coming right to left, I wanted to just power fade it back into that wind at the 2 and the 240. And I've started about 5 yards left and it's just moved about 4 yards back to the sign. Your brain knows what to do. Just let it do it. Okay, this time I'm going to go 30 yards left of the 240. Just straight left of it. Big Ratchet JH. That conceivably could be the best 3-wood I've ever hit. It's only 12 degrees this 3-wood. Used to be Elkington's. Martin Ayres gave it to me. Didn't have the shaft in it. Really strong. That's almost driver distance. Fantastic. Watch this guys. I'll hit this dead at the 2 and the 240. Big Ratchet change. They're just fantastic shots. Now for the guys that don't like the long irons. I'm actually hitting a few short irons lately. Never see JH hit the short irons because I don't hit them, they're too easy. But if you like to practice with a short iron, a full golf swing with a wedge is very hard to do. And it's great for me because it really makes me extend. But I'm hitting wedges. I normally hit a wedge about 115 metres. It's about 125 yards. I'm hitting 135 with this swing. See, that's crazy. That's full 9-iron distance for me with a wedge. And more like a nuked wedge. That's just ridiculous. Because I never try and take that bigger golf swing, ever. So guys, if you want to use a wedge, use a wedge. Nothing wrong, just that I never do it. And I'll tell you something else on the next tape when we come back, something that I'm doing at address. That's just a great shot. That's almost 8-iron distance. Okay guys, we'll come back and I'll tell you about my setup. They were great shots.